This is a really quick video today on a quick tip on how to market a tile cleaning business to office buildings and to offices. And this is specific to offices. And my name is Shane Dubell. Our company is methodcleanbiz.com. You can visit our website and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And what we're going to talk about today is how to market tile and grout cleaning services to office buildings. And this is specific to offices and office buildings and doesn't apply to restaurants, retail, those kind of spaces. And this is the big thing that I wanted to point out is that what I have found is when you ask or you approach an office about cleaning their hard tile, their grout, often they say it's not dirty, and a lot of times it's because the grout has been black for so many years, people don't even know that it's actually a completely different color underneath. And that's why with hard tile, that often I would flip it around, and instead of promoting the actual service of tile and grout cleaning, instead to focus on the problem, which in offices is going to be the restrooms, and it's also going to be the cafeteria. So when you ask people, they're going to say our tile's not dirty. But when you ask them about the restrooms, they'll all of a sudden they brighten up, because the number one complaint in offices is the condition of the restrooms or restroom supplies. Though that's always the number one complaint, and it always will be. And people also want the tile clean in cafeteria areas if they have hard tile, because that's where people are eating. So those are good value propositions to use instead of hard tile. And I just was going to show you real quick another flyer of ours, and this is more specific to my situation. I'm in the Northeast in New York. The winters are messy, so we would use this value proposition also of the salt residue and all that fun stuff, because that really wrecks the tile floors in lobbies and hallways that are coming off the doors. So this would be a value proposition that we would use. Now, I know a lot of you are in the South and the West, and you don't have all that mess, but that is something to think about when creating messages, is something specific to your area. My name is Shane Dubell, and our company is methodcleanbiz.com. Please visit our website and read this full blog and see some of the examples of the advertisements we put together. And also, one more thing. If you're looking to run a tile email marketing campaign, you can contact us and learn more.